Hello friends, my name is Ramsu. Today we shall discuss about the topic that if you are planning for preparation of a Scrum product owner interview, so a very important and general question generally asked in an interview with a product owner, that what are the skills required for product owner. So today we shall discuss the answer of this interview question in detail. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So friend, first of all, product owner should be a customer delighter. That means as a product owner, you are not just an administrator taking whatever the stakeholder says and adding it to the product backlog. Sure, you have to listen to what your stakeholders want, but you have to do more than process information. You have to discover those latent needs that your customer or user hasn't even imagined. Then the product owner should be a storyteller. That means great product owners go beyond the mechanics of chopping up a user story into the product backlog and sending it to the developers. As a product owner, your mission is to think about what will transform that story into a product feature that, you guessed it, delights the user. Then delegator. Friend, let's be very honest. Even though only one person is supposed to be the product owner within the Scrum framework, it's almost impossible for a single person to manage everything alone. If things start slipping through the cracks, you start to see teams creating additional parallel roles. For instance, a team may create a technical product owner role to compensate for product owners who don't see themselves as the team leader. To survive and thrive, you need to delegate and ideally build an informal team that will help you. Then, knowledge breaker. That means just as you are a developer or you know about the nitty-gritties about development, you also are a knowledge breaker. Yes, you represent the product backlog and you are the interface between the development team and the stakeholders, but you are not necessarily the definitive expert on the product. So the developers writing the code may not get any very far by taking to you to get user story detail. Instead, they should be talking directly to the experts, the stakeholders for the users. Your job be to enable collaboration and empower the developers by finding the right people for them to talk to. Now, if those discussions bring about changes to the requirements, absolutely you should be in the loop. If not, just the developers in the driver's seat so they can get the information they actually needed. The product owner should be a very good conflict resoluer. If you can't get handled conflict, you are in a wrong game. In product development in particular, we are dealing with a inherently conflict filled situation. This is especially true when people are fighting over resources and thinking or politically thinking, as they will do so the better you are resolving conflict. Effective escalator. Friend, inevitably, no matter how good you are at resolving conflicts, you will need to escalate something up to the chain of command. This is not about personal things like little kids meaning to dad. But basically, he should be a very good escalator whenever needed in the project. Like things stop somewhere, things are stuck somewhere, and you know that this is the case where you must have to escalate the things so that things get resolved and projects get back on track. So product owner must have a conflict escalation mechanism ready to go. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.